Hello friends, welcome back to another session for my crypto predictions and trading signals for Bitcoin, Solana and Ethereum. Today is the 23rd of March. We are very near the end of the month, basically one more week, that's it. And so far everything's so good. Today we got the second surprise for March. I was not really expecting this kind of, it was a volatile day. And it went upwards. So I was not really expecting this one, but it honestly doesn't look that strong, and I really doubt that this will continue, especially because we have pending corrections in the coming days. Okay, before I continue detailing this chart, I want to invite you all to like, share and subscribe. Also give me your comments, your suggestions. And I also want to say that to all the people who have emailed me about predictions, about comments, about insights, I want to thank you all because of your support and your interest in this work, in my predictions, in everything, and even your suggestions. Okay, some of you have suggested me some interesting protocols, some nice meme coins to take into consideration. All the people who also want to who also want to pay for predictions, all of that is very welcome. And I will be giving you guys an extra chart. It really depends because on the amount of predictions that you want to pay for. But at least I can give you an extra chart for all the people who have been paying for this, or who are willing to pay for new predictions. And I'm thinking it could be the monthly Bitcoin chart. Okay. I also want to say to some other friends like French, man, my bro, that prediction is coming. I mean, you'll have to excuse me. You and everyone else will have to excuse me because I have been so busy doing many other projects, okay? As you guys know, I have also a sports channel, and while it's still very small because I have purposely kept it small, that doesn't stop people from emailing me. And they also want predictions. They also want sports picks because my accuracy is very, very good, okay? And it's getting even better. It's something that I have realized doing my own predictions for my own picks and my own bets. So it's quite crazy, all the developments that I have been experiencing. I have also encountered many other applications for my let's say powers or abilities of predicting the future. So yeah, I have been very busy, and that's why I have taken so long to respond. So you'll have to forgive me. But yeah, to all of you who have already paid for predictions or who are interested in paying for predictions, and to all of you who I also owe you some charts because of your support, don't worry, guys. It's coming. It's coming. I promise it's coming. It's just going to. I want to do it this week, okay? Today is Sunday, so Monday is going to be the start of the new week. So in this new week, I'm going to do all of that, okay? So yeah, you'll have to excuse me again. But anyways, we'll get through this, and I'll keep giving you guys the information that you want. So like I told you, we got a surprise today on March for Bitcoin and basically many other cryptocurrencies. We'll just cover the ones that I have been doing for this month of March. But yeah, basically a volatile day, volatile uptrend. Like I said, I don't think this can hold. We can see corrections coming, especially around the 25, which could be a very volatile day, extremely volatile actually. So we'll have to go and see how it ends. But yeah, I really don't have high hopes for this last week of March. Okay, it's going to get better, but yeah, March I think will end up very, very similar, if not slightly lower than the initial position, which was around, let's see, Yeah, well, around basically the same position right now. I mean, it's around this kind of range, 85, 86K, something like this. So yeah, I think it can end slightly lower than this. Okay, it was not as bad as I originally thought that it could happen, but it's also not really that good. Okay, so that's the signals for Bitcoin, especially like I told you, be very careful about around the 25 of March. Maybe tomorrow the corrections will start coming. So we could see potentially 2 consecutive days of absolute just corrections, extreme pain. So yeah, be very careful around those days. Now let's take a look at Solana. Solana, like you are seeing right now, is also experiencing some surprise impulse. Not as powerful as Bitcoin, but nonetheless, it's mainly driven by Bitcoin. So of course, it's also going to be a green day for Solana. Okay, so currently it's kind of going higher, so it really depends on how it ends. But currently, it's like 5.5%. So not that bad. But at the same time, not really that impressive. Okay, and like I told you, this can get worse in the coming days. Now, for Solana, it shows that we can see a green 25. It could be a very interesting, scenario if that plays out, because basically all other charts show that around these days we will expect powerful corrections. So I'm not really that sure about this, but maybe this means that Solana can do better than other cryptocurrencies. Maybe that it will be a better performance. This does not necessarily mean that it's going to go green, but maybe the correction will not be as bad as with other cryptocurrencies. But yeah, that's basically the last green circle for Solana. Volatility around the 27, 29. Also, Bitcoin shows this. So yeah. The next coming days, I think I still stand by my prediction and by my experience also, and that is that we'll see mostly correction days, mostly bearish days. Okay, so for Ethereum, which is the last cryptocurrency, it seems that it regained 2K again today. It was also a surprise. Well, look at this. Ethereum is not doing as good. I just realized it's not doing really that good as Solana and Bitcoin. It's basically in a range. So yeah, not a full-blown correction like I was expecting, but also not anywhere near as good as Solana and Bitcoin, which is it's a shame, because Ethereum really needs to go higher. And the fact that all other cryptos except Bitcoin, except Ethereum go green today, a solid green day, it's very disappointing, to say the least. But yeah, basically everything that I told you for the coming days and the last 2 crypto charts that I just covered can apply to Ethereum as well. We'll see volatile days around the 25, 26. We'll see corrections around the end of the month, which all Bitcoin and Solana charts show. You can see it right here. The last days are also green. I mean red. Only Bitcoin has it on the yellow. So yeah, I think that's where the corrections are going to hit, and that's where we're going to see March end up lower than the initial position, which is only taking Bitcoin as a reference below 85K. Okay, you'll do the math for each and every other cryptocurrency. For example, in the case of Solana, we started the month with, I think was around basically, yeah, around 140, basically, kind of a range of 142, 141, but yeah, in those levels. And currently it's below that. So for Solana, it's a red month already. It's Bitcoin that has the best performance and the best outlook. But yeah, guys, that's basically all I have for you. Again, I want to, you'll have to excuse me for my for responding so late to your emails and your comments and your suggestions and all of that, but I always appreciate that. Okay, I am very busy, but I am working on the Telegram groups, which are going to be free, on the meme coin groups, which are also going to be free, and we'll experience many great stuff, guys, many great stuff as this community continues growing. And I am very happy. I am very happy that many of you have emailed me, have given me comments throughout every single video since I started this channel, telling me that you have made money thanks to my predictions, that you have made or saved money, which is also a very nice addition. So yeah, I'm very happy. That's why I do this, guys. Okay, it's no use to me to have this powerful knowledge and not share it with others. Okay, I am printing money always, but I am also very happy when people print money thanks to my knowledge, thanks to my trading signals, and thanks to my content. So yeah, massive thanks to you guys, and I want to wish you a good day. Again, like, share, and subscribe if you have not already subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.